Okay, just in case you don't know how to start your verse, here's some tips for you. Tip number 1, freestyle the hook. This tip is for those that like to be free. They don't like guidelines, don't like being told what to do, don't like rules. So here you go, here's your chance to be free. Freestyle the hook. When you do this, say exactly what you want to say. Again, I said say exactly what you want to say. You're freestyling here. I wrote a hook for a song and I didn't like the hook. So what I did was got in the booth again, put the headphones, heard the beat, and I just freestyled the hook, and it came out better than the first hook that I came up with. So you can take the same concept, freestyle a hook to start off a song, to start off a concept for your song, and then write a verse. So let me play you an example of what freestyling a hook might sound like.
Running on the motherfucking lemon haze. Send a nigga up to heaven gates. You know I meditate, keep my mind clear, bruv. You know I meditate, keep my mind clear, bruv. Running on the motherfucking lemon haze. Send a nigga up to heaven gates. You know I meditate, keep my mind clear, bruv. You know I meditate, keep my mind clear, bruv.
That hook there was completely freestyled, and that's what it might sound like. Whether that hook was good or not, it's completely subjective, but it's an example, so there you go. Next tip, this is for those that like a bit of structure in their life, like organization, they like rules, and that is to have a theme for your verse, or even better, your song entirely, and stick to that theme, follow that theme. So for example, my theme is for this song, this verse, this theoretical verse that I'm writing is to annihilate my chains, to grow, to be a better version of myself, break free from what's holding me back. So how can I start that verse? We'll start the verse by saying exactly what the theme is. Simple as. So I might start the verse with, I gotta annihilate my chains. Then I might ask questions like, how am I going to annihilate my chains? Why am I going to annihilate my chains? To write the next few bars. And the answer might be, well, I'm not playing any games anymore, so I gotta annihilate my chains. I'm not playing any games, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. And again, here's an example of what I'm talking about.
Gotta annihilate my chains, so I'm not playing any games. Wanna annihilate my curse, I ain't tryna get murked. So
and there you have it, 2 examples. So freestyle the hook to get yourself started, and have a theme for your verse. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed it, you liked it, hit the like button. If you're a subscriber, respect, thank you very much. And if you want to take your development to the next level, then check out the Patreon, links in the description. Much more frequent content, much better content, much more in depth, and it will help you take your development to the next level. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey yo money man, take your plan and run with it far. Until your lungs are smoke like you've been burning cigars. I be on this hustle bro, with nothing but heart. Every bar fucking right, you know I'm keeping it sharp. Should've known from the start that niggas move doubtful. And when you start to rise, you know they're preying on your downfall. Hoping that you drown or end up on the ground poor. Smoking on the crack and acting like a clown fool. Not in it for the crown jewels, this is my escape from the system, it's a fucked mess. Not in it for the blood.